Hello, Pioneers.
We hope you're doing great. On today's agenda, we'll be going over
calendar and events with Jace,
spend the day with,
and what's in the box. My name is Audrey.
And my name's Annalise. And welcome to your Pioneer Report.
Hold on. Welcome back to Calendar Events. I'm your host, Jace Felix. Today actually starts the beginning of March, which is the month of leprechauns, pinching people who are wearing green, snakes for some reason, we'll get into that, and eating hearty foods. This joke was funnier in my head. Okay. We have a math state test? We have a math team? Wait, what's that? It's a thing. Really? March. Math state testing. No field trips for juniors. We're just gonna leave that in, just like that. Alright, on the 11th of March we have the 4th report card issue, which means you all need to get your assignments in. Because I have that same issue. And we have cheer tryouts. On the 14th of March we have a minimum day for site development. So, we get off early. We also get the senior cap and gown deliveries. On March 25th and 26th, we have a dance show at LJ Williams. We also have class elections and the open house. And for those of you who didn't get my joke from earlier, it's a heart prop from Halloween. I thought it was funny because I said hearty at the beginning of this. Alright, it wasn't funny.
So many fun events are coming up.
I can't wait for dance show.
Me too. What a great way to continue second semester.
Let's finish the year off strong, Pioneers.
And now on to our next segment.
Spend a day with.
Welcome to the Day With Show, where we'll be doing a day with history with Mr. Souza, where he's going to be teaching us the history of St. Patrick's Day. I'm your host, Jace Felix, and this is my co-host, Sean. Last name unknown.
Can you explain to us the history of St. Patrick's Day?
Well, of course. Once upon a time, there was a saint. That saint was named St. Patrick. St. Patrick was born in the British Isles, was sold as a slave, came back to Ireland, and he's credited with bringing Christianity back to Ireland. From there, the legend grew. That's where we get things like the shamrock. Legend has it that he used the shamrock to explain the three sections of Christianity, right? The Holy Spirit, the Father, right? Jesus. From there, the Irish have been celebrating for over 1,000 years. Came to America, though, in the 1600s. There's some Irish sailors, 1772, who were missing home. They decided to celebrate it. And kind of from 1772, we've been celebrating St. Patrick's Day. And that's all I got.
All right.
What a fun segment.
Now on to a little game of What's in the Box.
My name is Steven Marietta, and this is What's in the Box. Are we good? We good?
You can open your eyes.
Dude, Kenny, stop. Dude. It's like a dog foot. It's like a toy grenade.
Taste your hand.
Taste? I'm not tasting my hand.
Just lick it.
I'm not licking my hand. Taste it!
It might taste bad. I don't know.
Dude, I'm not licking my hand. It won't taste bad.
It's plastic.
It's part of the human anatomy. It's a heart. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah?
Oh my god, that's... Oh my god.
Alright, you can open your eyes.
Oh What is that? Why is it furry? It's furry!
Wait, don't let it out.
Wait!
Can you guess what it is?
A wig?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is? Oh no.
Alright, you can open your eyes.
Now put your hands in.
Here?
Yeah.
This is scary. Hold on. Don't go too fast. Don't go so fast. It's gonna bite you. But it's pokey. Oh my gosh. Oh, the box is down here. Oh, that's my leg. Wait, what is this?
It's gonna move. It's scared.
It's pokey. Wait, what is this? It's gonna bite you.
Oh, that's
Oh, it's a plant, huh?
Okay. Now you have to feel it and see what it is.
Squishy ball.
No.
Keep guessing.
Like a real ball.
You can flip it.
Watch out, it's gonna bite you.
Wait, it's gonna bite me?
No.
Oh, a hat.
Sorry, Joe.
Yeah.
Yes.
You got it.
That was so much fun to watch.
And it was pretty funny.
Thank you guys for watching,
I hope you enjoyed our Pioneer Report.
and we hope to see you soon.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads.
And follow us on our Instagram and Twitter at MWHS Video.
Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report.
bye guys.
Bye.
Start.
And welcome to your
Yes.
From the top, make it drop, but that's somewhere.
I know Emily's code.
I sure would like some sweet corn.
I feel like it's kind of crowded. I'm not putting that in bloopers, okay? Until next time.
This has been your.
That's enough. Finish the year off strong, Pioneers.
I messed up that line.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
For watching. On today's agenda will be. Oh, go one more time. One more time.
Subscribe down below.
From the top. Do one more time. One more time. Go. One more time. One more time. Last time.
And hilarious.
Thank you
No,
guys.
I don't want that. Until next time. Or is this where we do something weird?
Bloopers? What? Should we redo the whole thing? I feel like this is thrashing.
Kenny? No?
I'm talking wow, wow, wow.
What does it look like?
Huh?
Did you just hoarding?
I was mean.
Recording?
Why? It's finished second semester. Shoot, that's your line. One more time.
You squeaked.
One more time. We got it. Kenny's done with us. He's waiting for this to be over.